iPhone 15 overheating issue. Apple's response. Apple has acknowledged the overheating issues in the iPhone 15 and is taking steps to address them. A bug in the iOS 17 software was identified as one of the culprits, but Apple assures users that it will be fixed in an upcoming update. During the initial setup or device restoration, iPhones may feel warmer due to the increased background activity. Some third-party apps like Asphalt 9, Instagram by Meta, Uber were identified as causing system overloads. Apple is working with these developers to implement fixes. The design of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max featuring new titanium shells actually enhances heat dissipation. Apple reassures users that these overheating concerns do not pose safety or long-term performance risk to the phone.